Now that we've applied for access to a Twitter developer account and been granted that access, we can create our app. Click on the Create an App button to start the flow of information we need to share with Twitter so they don't shut us down for influence in an election. First things first, we need to give our app a name. I will call mine Udemy Retweet Bot. Then we're required to give it a description. Let's tell Twitter what we plan to do. We are going to automatically retweet a given user's likes. You can put a placeholder in the website field. For me, I just use my personal website for now. We do not want to allow this application to be used to sign in with Twitter. If we don't check that box, then the callback URL field is not required, so we will leave it empty. We can also skip the terms of service, privacy policy, organization name, and organization website URL. Our bot is for our own personal use and won't be the next $1 million SaaS tool, so we can bypass this info. Lastly, we need to fill in a longer description of our app. I put the following. This app will use the Tweetbee library to monitor the likes of a username. For each like of or favorite on Twitter, we will automatically retweet it from this account. From here, we can click Create, sign our life away, and get dropped on the app details page. Wonderful. Next thing we need to do is create our authentication credentials. Under the Keys and Tokens tab, we will find our consumer API keys and can then generate our access token and access token secret. Here you'll see our API key and our API secret key. Now what we'll do next is click Generate. Go ahead and click this and then copy the strings and save them to a text edit file for use in the next section, where we will dive deeper into what keys and access tokens do and why they are needed. I'm going to go ahead and click Generate, but we'll run it offline so you don't see my super secret access keys and tokens.